Hello, inflatable fans. So this is it, the start of the big trip that I have been talking about for absolutely ages. Finally going. So this is Sunday the 13th, I believe. Heading up to Scotland now, breaking the journey up, stopping halfway where Raf and I stayed. If you remember the Lakes and Lochs tour that we did last year. Off we go. Got 148 miles to do for the first leg of this journey. Heading up towards Lockerbie area today and van camping there for the night. Welcome to Scotland. Look at that! That doesn't look healthy. Jeez. I've arrived at Annandale Water Services. This is where we're going to be spending the night, just waiting for the other guys to turn up now. This is where we slept last night. That's me, that's the machine, and there's Nun's chuff just stirring. Oh, look at that, I look like a pixie. I didn't sleep very well. We're just heading across here to the services to get some breakfast, and then we're going to head up to Inverness. We're going to stop off possibly at Neptune Staircase where we're launching tomorrow, and have a good drive through Glencoe because it's such a stunning drive. You might as well make the most of it while you're doing it, right? So this is Annandale Water, and this is a little pond / lake on the River Annandale. Close to where we stayed, there's the services, and our vehicles are just up there somewhere. If you've been with me right from the start, you'll know that in my very early days I did a camping trip to Scotland, went up to Oban, and this is my stop-off point. This service station's often been somewhere where I've stayed. There's the boys just heading across. Breakfast. Right, we have dined, and we're now heading up to Fort William to have a look at Neptune Staircase where we're launching tomorrow. We might as well go and check it out on our way up. Yeah, look at the snow on that mountain up there. More snow on the mountains there, look. This is at the top end of Loch Lomond. Wow, that one's got a lot of snow on it. Temperature in the car is currently showing 3 degrees. We've been climbing. Can't believe how much snow there is on some of these mountains. Anyway, we're getting close to Tyndrum and we're just going to pull in at the Green Welly and have a pit stop. Just hit a gutter. Just leaving the Green Welly to head up to Inverness. So we're going to stop off probably at Glencoe as well en route. It really is spectacular. I wasn't expecting to record much of the trip, but I've just been so fascinated with all the snow on the mountains. I mean, look at that. Wow. Stunning. We're just about to head through Glencoe, which is arguably one of the most stunning drives I've ever done in my life. Unfortunately today it's a little bit overcast. It's not going to be quite so spectacular. So we're just in Fort William now. This is in the foothills of Ben Nevis. And we're just heading towards Neptune Staircase to have a quick skeg where we're going to drop in tomorrow. Right, so this is the Neptune staircase area. So taxi will be dropping us off here tomorrow. See that pontoon down there? That's where we'll be launching from, you know, getting our gear ready and sorted along here. So yeah, looking promising. Toilets there. So at least we can pee before we start. Winner! This is the Neptune staircase lock. Quite a big beast, as you can see. So this is for boats coming in from the lock. I can't remember the name of the lock. I'll put it on the screen. You might be able to just see that in the distance round about there. We've just driven past. It's on Fort William's on the banks of it. But yeah, it is quite a staircase lock, is this one. I don't know how many locks there actually are on it, but there are quite a lot down there. That'd be quite a portage if you had to just stand on that thing. Yeah, look at that. So the official start is actually further down there, but you only paddle like 100-200 yards and then you're portaging all the way up here, so we're skipping this bit and getting in there because it just seems a bit pointless, really. Right, off we go to the hotel in Inverness. Yeah, up there, hidden by clouds, the mighty Ben Nevis. We were just driving along the road and Raf suddenly pulled into this lay-by, and I know why. This is Loch Lochy. We're going to be on here at some point, but it's just like, look at that epic view. Fabulous. And there up ahead we've got the Great Glen coming into view. And there we've got Loch Ness, which is going to be the biggest part of our challenge. Alright, another little break on the route. This is Loch Ness. We've just stopped off just to see what it's like. I'll tell you what, if we were actually paddling this today, I'd be quite happy, because you can see the water's kind of flowing that way. I say flowing, it's the wind making it look like it's flowing that way. That'd be behind us, that'd be a winner. So fingers crossed we have it like that when we hit it. Right, we've arrived at the Premier Inn, and this is where we're staying the night. You probably guessed, because I didn't put it in the title. We're doing the Great Glen Canoe Trail. This is the big trip that we've been planning for quite some time. I have to say a big thank you to the machine, because the machine has done all the spade work on this. And yeah, so we're starting that tomorrow. Stick around. Thanks so much for watching. This was just a quick intro, just to pique your interest, I hope. So yeah, all right. Thanks for watching. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.